Okay, we got a 32 by 16 length and width, and then the height is 26 inches tall. We use this for camping. The only problem with it, if you look closely, you see the little bit of blistering because this is pressed wood, so it got a little bit moisture in it, so it bubbled up a little bit, but it's not coming off. It's still attached. It just doesn't look as nice when you get a little moisture in there. So you can see it's all dry and hard. Anyway, just a simple little table. It folds up. I'm going to show you that. Basically, you just pop the legs down. Let me get this one. So it's nice for camping because its stores real small. We don't need it anymore. We bought a travel trailer and just don't have a use for it. So let me know if you have any questions or if you're interested. Thanks.